So in this video, I'm going to discuss the find consecutive integers from a data stream problem which occurred in today's LEETCODE bi-weekly 95 challenge. So if you have any doubt regarding this code or any code, you can ping me up on Instagram or you can join my Discord server. I will provide both the links in the comment section. I will pin them. Okay. So you're given at the first call, you're given two numbers. One is the val and one is k. Okay, val I mean value and the other is k. What is the value? It is a number. Okay, integer, and k is also a number. And after every call like these, we are going to insert this number to the data stream. Okay, and we are going to return if the last k numbers that we have inserted is equal to value or not. So let's say for at this position there is an empty data stream, right? Empty data stream. Now 4 is inserted, so 4 is inserted. The last k values, the last three values, right? There is only one value, so we are going to return false. Then again 4 is inserted. Okay, the last k values, that is 4 and 4, so it is false. Again 4 is inserted. Okay, last k values, that is the last three values. Now there are three numbers. Okay, now there are three numbers and all the three numbers are equal to value, right? 4, so we return true. Now 3 is inserted. Okay, 4 4 4 3. Now the last k numbers, the last three numbers, 1 2 3, this is 3, so it is not equal to value, so we return false. Now the basic approach behind this is, first of all, what are the things that we are going to define. So number one thing, val is equals to value. Okay, these are the public variables, and in spite of k we are going to write it as n. Okay, these are the public variables. Okay, these things, all the things that I'm going to mention, and we are going to make an array of size n. And and okay, one more thing, that is j is equals to 0. Okay, I will tell you why. These two I will tell you why. And in the boolean function, whatever it was, that is number is there. This is now this number. What we have to do is ARR of j mod n is equal to the number and j plus plus, and then run a loop from I is equals to 0 to I less than n, I plus plus, and if ARR of I is not equals to value, then return false, else return true. Okay, and in this function, okay, in this function you have to initialize ARR of n as, okay, this is going to be over here because this function, the constructor function, if you're a OOP language coder, so the constructor function, so I is equals to 0 to I less than n, I plus plus, you're going to make all the array elements as -1, because you never know this, what if this value is 0. Okay, I think it was not 0, so even I think this is optional, but it is a better approach to do this. Okay, this one is optional, I guess, but this is a better approach to do this, because -1, now no number is going to be -1. Okay, the value is not -1, so you can do this. This is optional. So this is the basically the constructor function, and this is the boolean function. Okay, so let me tell you what are we doing over here. So first of all, since we need to access the last k elements, so we are making an array of size k, that is 3 in this case. Okay, 3. Now we are initializing all the elements as -1 -1 -1, and j is equals to 0, right? J is equals to 0. Then first when 4 comes, so 0 mod 3, that is 0, so 4 gets inserted in this position. Okay, this is 0. Okay, let me write the positions on the top. Okay, this is 0 1 2. Now j plus plus. Now again 4 is gone, now 4 comes, right? So 1 mod 3 is 1, so 4 gets written over here, that is the position 1, and then j plus plus. Again 4 comes. Okay, see, till this position we are checking all the elements of ARR. Are they all are equal to val? No, this -1 is not equals to val. If this 4 was not there, this -1 was not equals to, these two -1s were not equal to val. Okay, now when 2 comes, now we are going to insert it at position 2 mod 3, that is this, and then plus plus. Now check all the elements are equal to val. Okay, value. that is 4. So in this case we are going to return true. Okay, since all the elements are equal to val, so not equal to val, there will be no condition, so we are not going to return false, so we are going to return true. And then when this becomes 4, now what we need to do, we are going to insert 3 to this. Okay, we are going to insert 3 to this. Now this is the most important thing. 4 mod 3, sorry, I'm really sorry, this is 3. Okay, we have already incremented it, so 3 mod 3 is now going to be 0, that is this position, so we are going to insert at this position. Now 3 4 4, 3 is not equal to val, so it is going to return false. Now let's say there were more numbers. Okay, there were, after 3 there were 5 6 7 9 8, 10, like this. So see, this is basically, this mod thing is going to insert them in a circular pattern. Okay, in a circular pattern. So whenever, at whichever position we check, the number of the elements in this array ARR is going to the last k elements. So we can do the checking. So this is basically the logic behind this. So this is the code. This is a pseudo code, I mean. So thank you.